Hello and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, my name is Tawny. Thank you so much for stopping by. In my last video of this series, I have shown you how to make eyebrow mask at home, how to groom your brows by yourself, and how to perfectly map your brows. If you missed that video, then I will definitely give the link in the description box below. Today I am going to show you how you can get perfect base for makeup and how you can achieve this gorgeous eye makeup just in 5 minutes. So sit back and relax. I will jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to start on a clean face as always. Then I'm going to apply this serum, which is very lightweight and good for almost any kind of skin type. You can also use a lightweight moisturizer instead. Then I'm going to apply another serum which is a little thicker than the previous one. This makes a huge difference. Again, use any facial cream if you don't have serum at home right now. Then I'm going to use this primer which really suits my skin type. Here is the guide for you if you have different types of skin. You can pause this video if you need to. Try to blend it as much as you can, and there you have it, a perfect base for makeup. For the eye makeup, you need to do your eyebrow done before you start anything, and also create a base with concealer and then set them with powder. Once that's done, put some protecting pads on or just use some scotch tape to get a nice line. To get the result faster, use some shimmery eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna apply this champagne color for base, and you can see I'm getting that highlighted effect already. Then I'm going to jump into the golden brown shade, and with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend on my brow bone area. I need a darker shade now, and again I will be using a shimmery brown shade and blend on my outer and inner V area. Now I need the darkest shade, and I will be using this charcoal color which is not shiny though, and I will be intensifying the shadows, if that even makes sense. I'm sure you can see what I'm doing right now. Then I'm going to take this darker silver shade and apply right on my mid-lids. I will be using my fingertip only, as in that way I will have more control over it. Then I will take this lighter silver shade and repeat the process. Now this next step is optional, you don't have to do it. I will be using this pigment adhesive right on my mid-lid area. Then I will take some silver pigment from Precautions Cosmetics and dab on the adhesive again with my fingertip. Now your glittery eyeshadow is ready. That was the hardest part. Well, at least for me. Now take any gel eyeliner and draw a line. You don't have to be perfect at this moment. I personally prefer cat eye because that suits me better. You don't have to if you want less drama. It's always easier to start from the middle and then continue. To get more precise look, I am going to apply this liquid eyeliner and draw the inner corner. Now remove the pad, and instantly your upper eye makeup is ready. Then I will be taking this black eyeliner pencil and cover my waterlines. Now to protect that eyeliner from smudging, I am going to apply this charcoal eyeshadow again on my lower lash line. Now blend it with a fluffy brush. Now I'll be taking a curler and curl my lashes. Then take any waterproof mascara you have and apply on your upper and lower lashes very carefully, because you don't want to mess at this point. Then I will be taking these fake lashes, cut them in size so that it fits my lids, and then attach them with a black adhesive. And there you go, your eye makeup is ready. Hopefully this video was useful to you. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. In my next video, I will be showing how to do full face makeup and perfect contouring technique. I love you guys so much. I upload every week, so I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.